The common mistake in English vocabulary. Mr. Tahmid Sayem. Spend versus waste. Spend. To use money or time for a specific purpose. Nerdista kaje samaya o artha baya kara. Example. Raheem spends his saving buy a new bicycle or car. I was spent a memorable day in Dream Holiday Park. Waste. To use money or time carelessly or without any beneficial benefit. Udasinababe ba kono la bajanaka fala chara samaya o artha baya kara. Example. Kamrul waste many hours playing mobile game instead of study. Tafsir wasted a mobile phone yesterday in Newmarket. The common mistake in English vocabulary. Mr. Tahmid Sayem. Discover versus invent. Discover. To find something that already exists but was unknown. Age take thaka kichu kuyampauya. Example. The freedom fighter discovers Bangladesh in 1971. The scientists discovers that Earth rotates the Sun. Invent. To create something completely new that exists has not before. Ekadama natuna kichu teri kara ya age chila na. Example. Sayem invents a low-cost electrical bicycle or car for the people. Tasm invents a solar panel system for the low-living people. The common mistake in English vocabulary. Mr. Tahmid Sayem. Teach versus train. Teach. To give book basic knowledge or information about a subject. Kono by Bioika Basaya Sampark Jnana ba Tathya Pradana Kara. Example. Raheem teaches physics at a college in Cox's Bazar. He teaches us how to we learn good manner. Train. To develop specific skills through instruction and practice. Nerdasana o anuzalanira madhyabe hate kalamera madhyame daksa care gertola. Example. He was trained to operate a sewing machine. The teacher trains his students how to learn a computer. Common mistake in English vocabulary. Mr. Tahmid Sayem. Care versus concern. Care. To feel interest or affection. To look after someone or something. Balobasaba dayat baboda take kauke ba kono kichara yatna nioya. Example. Kareem cares his mother every day. H cares his small brother affectionately.
Concern, a feeling of worry about something important, কোনো গুরুত্বপূর্ণ বিষয় নিয়ে দুশ্চিন্তা বা উদ্বেগ অনুভব করা।
Example: Rahim concern his board final examination. I was concerned for the global warming in recent time. The common mistake in English vocabulary. Mr. Tahmid Sayem. Learn versus study. Learn. To achieve knowledge or skills through experience or education. Inhajnyata ba siksara madhyame jnana o daksata seka. Example: Kamal learned how to ride a bicycle to practicing daily. Fahim will learn how to study regularly through his teacher. Study. To doing regularly, usually from books or class. By ba klasa take niyamita ba sangathita babe lekapara kara. Example: Rahim studied Bangla grammar to prepare for his board exam. Kareem studies book regularly from his school library. The common mistake in English vocabulary. Mr. Tahmid Sayem. Say versus speak. Say. To understand something specific word. Nerdista kichu bala bojaya. Example: He said he would come at 5 p.m. Raham say sorry his friend for a major problem.
Speak. To use voice for formal way, ভাষায় দক্ষতা, বৌরিতা বা বিশেষভাবে কথা বলার ক্ষেত্রে ব্যবহৃত হয়।
Example: Rahim can speaks English fluently. If he speak that he would know everything. The common mistake in English vocabulary. Mr. Tahmid Sayem. Buy versus purchase.
Buy. To get something by paying money, টাকার বিনিময়ে কিছু কেনা। সাধারণ ও দৈনন্দিন কেনাকাটার জন্য।
Example: Rayhan buy a book from library. Tafsir bought vegetables from the local market. Purchaser. To formally or officially buy something. Anasthanakababe ba bara paraser kichu kara. Example: Rahim will purchase a car in the next year. The college authority purchased new chair for the exam hall.